boys and girls, mostly boys, 99.3%. And welcome to part 6 on the Smart-Busa. Oh, and by the way, you know what to do. I'm Vinny B, and welcome to my channel. Today we don't have time to mess around or clowning around. Nope, no time for that, because today we are installing the engine. So that's it, let's roll the tape. Oh, I'm sorry, that's my bad. Just before that, it's hunting season. Swaybar hunting season. And the hunt was good. This is a Swaybar from the front of a 2007 Civic. It's a curvy one, a lot of curves. With used and probably worn out links. These gonna be changed for sure. And I will try to fit this link on the subframe. I just don't know how. Yep, alright, let's make it happen. Okay, and this is an hour later, and I think I figured out where to put it. It's already cut in half, and I will have to make some plate underneath this spindle, and I will buy some new links. It's gonna be hard to have some adjustment on this one, but I think it's gonna fit pretty well. We'll have to redo the mounts, make an extension, and I think it will fit. So it's plasma cutting time. Okay, I just need to put some attachment point right here, and it's gonna be done. Yes! I will cut the brackets and weld everything up again, but a 1/4 of an inch lower, so this Swaybar won't touch one of the links. Oh well. That's close, but will be good enough for me. That's the end of the travel, so it will never reach that. So moving on, the baffle. Oh yeah, the air baffle is now completed, and now it looks like a freaking snowplower. This is the oil intercooler, so it needs to see a lot of air, and plus with the headers, and since my back's gonna be right here, I want some fresh air to come and cool this area and not melt my back, right? So one cool feature about it, it's that it's adjustable in height. That could be useful if it's too low and I pick up too much dirt. I can push it back up. Plus, if I don't like it, I still can use it around the shop. Oh yeah! Next step, the teardown. That was sweatying? Yeah, that's a word. It was sweatying. This is the frame in all its glory. Now it's gonna be time to weld it up and then paint and then in the car. Next step, in the car. In the car. In the car is gonna be in the car and in the car. In the car. On passe à travers l'appareil hors de toi.
Another. Okay.
Ok, ai.
Eu presque d'accord.
Ok. Ja. Det är bra. Oh. Okej. Woohoo! Yay! And it's there! It's there! Yes, it's there. Finally. This is a big step forward for the project. Now I can tackle all the small details that is now left, like gas tank, pedal box, braking system, and many more. So this is what you're gonna see in the next episode. So stay tuned, because I'm getting that close of starting this engine. Well, am I a pirate? Arr! Like and subscribe. Click on that bell if you want to see it run. All right, that's it for me. See you in 2 weeks. I know that the seat is pretty close. I figured that out. One day.